Ugandan People's Defense Force, together with the Uganda Police Force and other security entities, are prepared to celebrate the 44th Tarehe Sita anniversary scheduled to take place on the 6th of February at Busesa Bugweri district in Busoga, as they give back to the communities through various activities for the benefit of the population.
We have been going to regions, and I think by now we have been to all the regions of Uganda. And so this time we decided on Busoga so that we can thank the people of Busoga, because they are the backbone of our security. And we also want to express solidarity with the people and symbolically give back to the population by doing certain activities for the benefit of the population, and also reaffirm the strategic link between us and the population.
General Wilson Mbasu Mbadi, the chief of the Defense Forces of the UPDF, emphasized that the promotion of social and economic transformation aligns with the principles of peace, unity and security for the betterment and the progress of all Ugandans.
Nothing done outside the mandate and interests of Ugandans can endure any test. Struggle for unity, because united we stand and divided we fall. Now peace and security, because human security is attracted by peace and security, and economic development can only take place when there is peace and security. So there is a nexus between security and development.
He also revealed that they have set Defense Forces Week, where the forces will carry out different activities throughout the country to remind the members of the public of unity and also create a mind change among Ugandans.
Among others are sanitation, civil engineering activities, medical outreach programs to include circumcision, eye clinics, and so on.
General Wilson Mbasu added that since the transformation of the force by the revolution leader President Museveni, they have remained army with an ideological foundation that shams sectarian tendencies while impressing the national interest.
We have fought out of a revolutionary conviction and always shunned any mercenary tendencies of being mere careerists. And we remind ourselves of strict discipline, above all, upholding constitutionalism and the rule of law.
They disclosed that they have so far accomplished 89 projects out of 146 from the government and have vowed to finish the race in the time they agreed with the government.
Nga mwe muli okuzimba amalwaliro nga Gombe, nga Kasanda. Gombe twali tudabiriza, Kasanda tuguddeyo eddwaliro y'okuzaaliramu maternity ward ne theatre oba aw'okulongosereza banakazadde, okuddabiriza Kawolo hospital e Lugazi, okuddabiriza n'okwongera ku kisaawe eky'ennyonyi Entebbe, omulimu gwe twaggyeko engalo, era mulabye nti ekisaawe kati matiribona, era abagenyi be twafunye bakikozesezza ne kiweesa eggwanga ekitiibwa. Okuteekako okuddabiriza okuzimba eddwaliro e Busoolwe lye twamaliriza.